Powerhouse Oscillating Multi-Tool. Let's unbox. User Manual. One-piece vacuum connector. One-piece handle grip. Oscillating multi-tool. One-piece triangular carbide rasp sanding pad. One-piece triangular carbide rasp. One-piece scraper. One-piece multi-tool blade. How to assemble this power tool. Choose the appropriate blade or attachment for your task, for example cutting, sanding, scraping, grinding. Ensure that any attachment is firmly attached to the tool before use to prevent slippage or injuries. Always unplug before changing blades to ensure safety. Avoid using the tool near water to prevent electrical hazards. Let the oscillating tool's motor do the work. Applying too much pressure can cause the blade to bend or break. Move it slowly and evenly to maintain control and avoid damaging the material. One of the most versatile power tools. Ideal for DIY projects. Portable and ergonomic. Its built-in LED light provides better visibility of the workpiece in poorly lit areas.